Okay, this is Jaybird and Mollie. What are you doing, Mollie?
I am calibrating the pH meter, and it's not doing what the people did in the video. It worked perfectly for them. Of course, it doesn't work perfectly for me.
Calculating what now? The pH?
I'm calibrating the pH meter so I can test the pH in the hot tub. So I have to calibrate it first.
That's a nice new hairdo you got there. What do you call it? Bob?
This is my summer do, thank you.
So, back to the pH. You're calibrating the meter so that the meter will be accurate.
Yes.
And how do we do that? We have two dishes here. What's the dish on the left?
That's not working.
What's the dish on the left?
I've got one that has the solution that's pH 6.86. Now I've got another one that has a 4.01. And this is called double calibration. So you calibrate it to 6.86 and then you do it again for 4.0. And then after that it should be set. Okay?
So the measuring device should be set following the instructions.
Okay, so I mixed it. Insert the tip with the pH meter into the solution and push the cal button in and hold it for 3 seconds before releasing. The meter will begin flashing. Gently swirl until the reading stabilizes. Okay, on. Why it's going crazy, I don't know.
So the device is going crazy.
Which it shouldn't be. So if I 1, 2, 3, I'll release it. Alright, so right now it's sitting at 6.86. Okay, so if it's stabilized, 6.74, but when I pull it out,
yeah, it's not in the water anymore.
I know, but how did the guy, when he pulled it out, it stayed the same?
Well, you probably
it kept the reading.
It's got to be in the water while it's reading, that's for sure.
So maybe he pushed it again.
Yeah, probably.
Let me see. See, it doesn't stay.
Well, that makes sense to me. It's not going to stay unless you push a button to freeze it, because...
Well, he didn't.
Well...
It doesn't say to do that.
Let's try the other one.
But somehow I need to get it to where you can turn it on and it goes back to 0.
Stir it around until it stabilizes.
Is it stable?
It looks very stable to me. It just has that stable look. You know what I mean? That's not very funny.
Well, if I move it around, it just keeps changing. He didn't move his around. He just left it still.
Well, let's do what he did.
So,
who is this he person?
On the YouTube. 2 people on the YouTube. So, it stopped. Okay. And then he pulled it out. And it stayed where he...
And ours is not doing like his.
And it's not staying. Okay. Well, let's try the 4.0 and see what it does.
Rinsing.
Let's turn it off.
You have to rinse, turn it off with distilled water. Shake. And now we're going for the 4. The 4.0. See if it gets to 4.0.
1, 2, 3. And he said click, and there it says 4.0.
4.0.
Okay, now
I think
pull it
it's
out.
calibrated.
I think it is.
It's changing because it's not in the water. We're declaring calibration. Success.
And now...
If you can follow all that. And now what?
Now we're going to go see what the reading is in the hot tub.
Ooh. Okay. Now we're putting our well-calibrated reader to work. Come on, Belly. You want to go check the hot tub? The hot tub. Now we will see what the actual pH is.
See how clear it is.
It's so clear and clean. Nobody's peed in it yet. Okay. Chemist, what is the truth? What is a pH value of our hot tub? $933? 3.1?
It's around 7. What? How long do you leave it in here, I wonder?
Until it
The longer
stops.
I leave it in there, it keeps going up.
Well, keep it in there till it stops going up.
We're up to 7.38. Slowing down. Well, maybe. 7.41, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's a patient process, getting the pH of your hot tub. Patience. It's a very patient look.
Yes.
It's hard to see it. 7.54. Looks like it's steady at 7.54 to me.
5.
5. Okay.
And 6.
Keeps changing. Keep it in the water. 7.57.
It's slowing down.
8. 7, 8, 7, 8. It's very exciting.
I think it's,
Do you have a declaration for us?
I'm going to call it 7.57.
7.57, ladies and gentlemen. We have reached a verdict.
I changed my mind. 7.58.
7.58, ladies and gentlemen. We have reached a final verdict. Okay. And it's a beautiful day, a Saturday, sunny.
Aren't you going to ask me what it should be?
What should it be? I'm sorry.
I don't know.
Well, stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, for part 2, where we will find out what it should be.
So 7 is neutral. So I think it should be more alkalinity than acidity. So it probably should be a little higher.
Should be a little higher.
I'll have to go look that up.
Okay.
But
We
I
will
am
follow
not a
up.
scientist.
Chemist.
Water.
As I was saying, it's a beautiful day at Lake Gaston, North Carolina. And we have a visitor today. Bocce. Hello, Bocce.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm drinking my water. I'm watching the dog.
Bocce has an App State, because that's where she went, App State.
So near.
And I have App State. I'm an App State dad. I don't know if you can see that.
Did you put JF on there?
Yes, I actually do have a JF
What'd you...
because I spilled some Gorilla Glue and it looked like snot. A continual snot slob.
So you made it into your own...
So I just colored it. I colored it with with a pen.
That's ingenuity. That's redneck ingenuity right there.
Yes, it is. I'm sure that camera shot wasn't very good, though. Okay, that's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. We will check in with Molly and Jaybird another time. Bye.